everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm just popping on today to share the opening of some happy mail I received today from Beacon Adhesives. I want to give a shout out to Marilyn and thank her very much. I'm really excited about this because Beacon is my go-to when it comes to my glue adhesives. I'm a big fan of the mixed media glue and also the multi-grip and the 527, which are the only three that I can actually find locally. But yeah, I want to get this started and share with y'all. I hadn't opened it yet. I hope that everybody is doing well and staying safe, and that their families are doing well in this crisis that we're facing here in the United States and even around the world. I know many crafters that are from different countries, and it's a frightening matter. I really want to give a shout out to all the frontline workers, the medical personnel, the first responders, our restaurant workers, and our grocery staff, and people like my husband. He is an electrician, and they are considered essential workers. So just pray that everyone is well. So here we go. Let me adjust my camera up a little bit. There we go, that's better. Let's see what we've got here. Oh my goodness, goodness, goodness. Wow. Oh, I have a bottle of the multi-purpose adhesive spray. Wow. I didn't even know they had this. This is exciting. Can't wait to use this. And some gem tack, which I have actually had a small tube that was given to me a while back, and I used it all up on some jewelry making. Love this stuff. It's really incredible when it comes to making jewelry. Some Fabri-Tac, which is amazing, I hear. I've never used it to glue lace trims and fabric together and things. It says it's also good on leather and wood. Well, that's going to be fun to use. Let's see, peanuts there. Haha, some of the 527. This glue is absolutely amazing. I love using it on my mixed media projects with the, gluing metal objects on and things of that nature. Then we have some quick grip. That it's quick grab. Contact cement, all purpose. Water and weatherproof. Oh, this is going to make it amazing. It's also flexible and paintable. Oh, great. Can't wait to try this. And then we have some zip dry paper art glue. Fast drying glue for paper arts. Never wrinkles. Cool. And then we have some felt glue. Bonds felt, glitter, pom-poms, and more. Water cleanup and dries clear and non-toxic. And some foam and pasterboard adhesive. Works on foam board, poster, and cardboard, and much more. Oh, great. I can't wait to use these. I think that's it. That is quite a bit. Again, I want to say thank you, Mary Lynn at Beacon, for these goodies. I can't wait to start playing with the ones I've never used before. Out of these, actually, I haven't. The only one I've used is the 527, so I'm really excited. This, well, a little bit of the gem tack was in a small little tiny, like a sample tube of some sort. But yeah, this is great, and I can't wait to start using these in my various projects, fabric books, and mixed media projects. So I want y'all to have a wonderful day. Try not to get too bogged down. It's hard with the stay-at-home orders and so many people are, out of jobs, and it's just a difficult time. And I pray the best for our nation and for everyone that is affected by this pandemic. So until next time, may God bless you and keep you. And I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.